The proud parrot. Once there lived a parrot in a big tree. He was proud of his beautiful wings and beak. One day he saw a crow. He thought how ugly the crow wings are. He said to the crow that his wings are black and ugly. The crow replied, thought they are ugly, that helps him to fly to a large distance. The parrot moved little more closer to the crow, spread his wings, and saw how beautiful he is. Just then a man arrived there with the cage and caught the beautiful parrot and left the place. Moral: do not be proud of something that you have.